Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. It's very simple to turn this on, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is to open up the TikTok app. Once you've done this, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. There are two different ways of finding this option. The first one by clicking the three lines in the top right, click Settings and Privacy. You then want to click on Privacy. Then from here, you want to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you're going to see your profile views. You'll go and click that. From here, you can go ahead and turn it on. And then another way to turn this on is by going back to your profile page, and on the screen, you'll see the eye in the top right corner. You can go ahead and click that, and then go and click Turn On. So by turning this on, it will show people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Only you can see this, and you can turn it off whenever you want to. So it's very simple to do. So if you want to do that, just go ahead and turn it on. But I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next